to my channel. Hi! And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for the support. And let me just go ahead and give you a hug. And a kiss. Joking. Anyways, yeah, welcome. I was sent a series of questions, so I thought, they'd be perfect for me to jump on that bandwagon of get to know me tag. Right? Okay. No problem. I'll do it. It's okay, it's okay. Don't insist. I will do it. You will get to know me. Come on. Seriously. I'm joking. Don't mind me, I'm silly. Yes, I was sent this a list of questions from some people that follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Most of them are my friends, and a few people and a few other people that I don't know. Okay, so they thought they would ask me some of the questions because I posted that, hey guys, I need a few questions for a get to know me tag video. So they hooked a girl up. So let's get started. First question. Is Omolara Majuru your real name? No, it isn't. My actual birth name is Melissa. My name is actually Melissa. But Omolara Majuru is just a Nigerian name that I decided to adopt to myself. That's like my pseudonym on all social media. Okay? And I'm also obsessed with the Nigerian culture. Everything about the Nigerian culture amazes me. Like, I love it. I binge watch their movies. I go to their churches. You name it. Okay? I love these people. You don't understand. You don't understand. I love them. Okay? So, I don't want to sound crazy, but I do. Alright, next question. Where are you from? I'm from Haiti. Hello? Can you not tell by my accent? I'm Haitian. Are you a dog person or a cat person? Neither. I don't like them, and plus I'm allergic to their fur, so I'm good. Okay, don't crucify me. I just don't like them. Please. To all the dog lovers, the cat lovers, I have nothing against them. Don't crucify me. I'm afraid of them. Okay. Let me not get into that. I'm terrified of them, actually. And plus, I'm glad I'm allergic to them, to their fur. So, hey. Anyway, next question. Do you have tattoos? If so, how many? I have 3 tattoos. I have one here on my forearm, a rose. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, I can see. Can you see it? Don't mind me. And I have a Haitian flag symbol. That's how patriotic I am on my lower back. And I think they call it something. I think they call it something. I forgot. I'm having a brain fart. Okay, but I forgot. Is it a something stamp? I forgot. And I have one on my foot, but I have boots on. I have too many things on for me to remove it, and it's a praying hand. Which of your parents are you more like? As much as I hate to say it, I find that I'm more like my mom. Not that it's a bad thing, it's a beautiful thing, but growing up, I always thought my mom was like too strict on me. Like, this lady was my worst nightmare, okay? My Caribbean people, or Jamaican people, Nigerian people, you would know. Like, my mom was my worst nightmare. In a good way now that I think of it. So I notice, whenever I'm scolding my son or whatever it is that I'm doing, especially if it has something to do with my son, or I'm raising my son, I notice that I'm, more like her. This is a good thing. She should be proud. Very proud. Anyway, which of your parents are you closest to? My dad. My dad is my best friend. Like, my dad. And he also has a big mouth. Dad, if you're watching, you have a big mouth, and I've been telling you this forever. You do, okay? My dad, if I feel like I cannot talk to my mom about something, if I feel like, she's going to spaz out on me, I know exactly who to go to. I go to my father, because I know by the end of the day, my mom will get the message. So, yeah, I'm closest to my dad. This guy is amazing. Anyway, do you use sarcasm a lot? Yes, I'm very, very, super duper, extremely sarcastic. It's almost difficult to tell when I'm being serious and I'm being sarcastic. Like, I can do this for a living. If only I could earn money from it, I'd be set for life. I'm super sarcastic, very sarcastic. It's me. Do you have kids? Yes. I have a 7-year-old boy, and he's my life. I'm obsessed with him. He's amazing. He's a sweet boy. Yes. And what's your current status? I'm married. I've been married for 8 years. I've been married for 8 years. So, yeah. Are you cool or short-tempered? I'm very cool-tempered. It takes a lot to get me pissed off. You would be wasting your time trying to get me mad. But once I'm mad, I'm mad. Do you have the ability to hide your feelings from others? Yes. I could be hurting. It's a bad thing. I could be hurting or whatever it is, feeling depressed. You would never know about it because I would not be displaying these kind of feelings. You would think everything is fine, but behind closed doors, oh my God. Like deep inside, I'm a mess. It's not a good thing, but I keep to myself so much, like it's almost easy to just hide things. It doesn't matter how bad my day is going, you would never know. I'm the only one who knows. You would never know. Next question. Are you talkative? No. I'm quiet. I'm a quiet person. I'm quiet and very observant. I'm so quiet that it might just creep you out just a little bit. But once I get, a sense of who you are, if I feel comfortable enough around you, then I might engage in, some conversations. But I'm very quiet, creepy quiet. Are you straightforward? Yes. Take it or leave it. You ask for your opinion, you have to be ready for me to give it to you. At that point, if you're asking me for an opinion, and if I'm your friend, you're asking me for an opinion, I don't care about your feelings because it might sound like I'm a bad friend, but you ask me for opinion. I have to be able to give it to you the way it is. I'll care about your feelings later, but I'm very straightforward. Very, maybe too much because it gets me in trouble a lot. So that's why I tend to stay to myself and be quiet because people just don't like it. Next question. When was the last time you cried? Last year. I don't know, last year. I know I did. I was going to a tough period in my life, and I don't know, I was having a good day that day. I don't know, I couldn't hold it anymore. I just broke down, and I literally thought I was gonna have a Britney Spears moment, but praise be to God, I didn't. But yeah, that was the last time I cried. What is the first thing you notice about people? What is the first thing I notice about people? Their teeth. I don't know. I'm a sucker for nice teeth. Okay? And beautiful legs. I don't know. Women, or I'm not bisexual. I'm not into women. Not that anything's wrong with it, but to each their own. But I love beautiful legs. It doesn't matter if it's a guy, if it's a woman. If I see that, if I notice that you have beautiful legs, I will stop you and tell you, hey, you got beautiful legs. Blah, blah, blah. And of course, yeah, that's it. These are the two things. Yeah, these are the, well, it asks for one, but I give you two. I think I've answered all the questions. So, that's about it. So I finished it, guys. So if you want to check it out, just check it out. Anyways, so guys, I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. And I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so very much. I'm signing.